In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF flyer into the body of a Gmail message rather than sending it as an attachment. This can be a game changer for making your email stand out. Let's go through the step-by-step process to make this happen. First, you'll need to convert your PDF into an image file format. Head over to the website PDF to jpg.net, a handy online tool that converts PDFs into high-quality JPG images. Once there, click on the option to convert PDF to JPG Online. Next, upload the PDF file you want to convert by clicking the button labeled Choose a PDF file and navigate to where your PDF is stored. Select it and open it. After uploading, choose the quality type from the drop-down menu and select Excellent to ensure the image is crisp and clear. High-quality images make your emails look more professional. Then, click on the Convert PDF to JPG button. Within moments, your JPG file will be ready for download. Click the download button to save it to your computer. Now open Gmail in your web browser and click the Compose button to start a new email. To insert your converted image, click the Insert Photo icon at the bottom of the email composition window. A pop-up menu will appear. Click Upload and browse to locate your downloaded JPEG file. Select it and upload it into your email. Once uploaded, the image will appear directly in the body of your message. You can adjust its size and position so it looks perfect alongside your text. Embedding your PDF this way ensures the recipient sees the flyer immediately without opening an attachment. Additionally, you can add multiple images from the same PDF if needed, or layer text and images together for a more dynamic email. Using this method makes your emails visually appealing, professional, and engaging. Remember, keeping your message readable while adding visuals is key to effective communication. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a PDF flyer as an image in Gmail. This simple technique improves your email presentation and increases the chances your content will be noticed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tip helps you create more engaging and professional emails. Stay tuned for more helpful Gmail tricks and productivity tips. Happy emailing!